Hey, what's up? It's Paul Farmer from paulgfarmer.com. Today I'm going to share with you my most recent results from the brand new product, Master Traffic Institute, which is the new product from Power Lead System. This is going to be super short. I just wanted to share the results I'm getting with this program. It's really exciting. I haven't done anything extra. And yesterday I was just watching TV with my wife, and I had $1,000 come in. Let me just show you here. There we go. I just put some emails up. Okay, just some screenshots of the emails, and those are split pay. So basically what happened is they paid half of the amount. I made $500 for this. So it's not too bad. Not too bad of a day. 1,000 plus day. I can also show you, see it right here. Right here, the two 500s right there. And you can see there's other sales coming in as well. So it's not just that amount, but boy, that really is a boost when you have that $1,000 commission. So let me just jump over here real quick. So what I'm talking about is Master Traffic Institute. And the beautiful thing about this system, about Power Lead System, is it is designed in a way where it doesn't matter if you're doing the lowest product, which they have a $7 offer. It's called Lead Lightning. It doesn't matter if you start there. It doesn't even matter if you start with the free level. You can still work up to making a very sizable income without doing any extra work. So let's just say, for example, let's say you're at the gold level. Okay, the gold level is $53.97 a month. It pays you $20, excuse me, residual income and 50% match. $20 residual income and 50% match. So what happens is we have a funnel. A funnel. It has a capture page where we capture the person's information. We have a sales page that does the telling and selling for us 24/7, 365 days a year. And then we have emails that go out automatically, autoresponder messages that go out automatically. And that basically does the work for us. Okay, so when somebody comes in at, say, the gold level, the $53.97 right here, what happens is they're now in the system. And when they're in the system, when they come into the back office here, they're going to see how mine are all green because I've purchased all the products. But if you haven't purchased all the products, these are red. And for me personally, every time I came in my back office and I saw something red, it pissed me off. I'm like, I need to get that green. That's just the way I am. I want to be all in. So at the time, all in was the Social Profit Academy. So you had gold, you had diamond, and you had the Social Profit Academy, which is $400 commissions it pays. So gold is $53.97 a month. This one's $147 one time, pays $100 commissions. And Social Profit Academy pays $497 one time, and pays $400 commissions. Okay, so and with these three levels, I mean, I'll create a full-time income with just these three levels. Now they just introduced Master Traffic Institute. I think I got my screen too. No, it's not. Master Traffic Institute, which is basically traffic generation strategies, teaching you how to generate traffic, which is essential for any online business. And it's an in-house product, meaning everyone on the product is a member of Power Lead System. They're top earners, and they're sharing their tips and tricks and just what they do to build a full-time income with Power Lead System and whatever else they are doing. So it's really powerful. I've been going through it. I actually did a review about 2 of the modules yesterday. I started a new module today, or actually yesterday as well. And as I'm going through this, I'm just going to open it up real quick, and then I'm going to wrap this up because I don't want it to be very long. As I'm going through this thing, I'm just like sitting here like, wow, so many people would benefit so much from this because of the content, because of what's being taught. I get a lot of questions asked a lot of the time. Of very basic things. And the fact that the information is right in this product in-house inside a Power Lead System is phenomenal. Okay, so just give it a minute to load, but it's pretty much everything you could ever need. There is traffic training for every style. So if you want to do online marketing, cool. If you want to do offline marketing, there is training on that. So far, I'm just going to go over what I've gone through. There's a lot in here. Right now, I'm going through Franco's Traffic Generation 101. And I have to say, for anybody that doesn't really understand internet marketing, that doesn't really understand how the pieces go together and how we utilize social media and how, you know, traffic and social media all come together, this is a fantastic module because it teaches you the basics. It teaches you exactly what you need to know to generate traffic, how to use social media. So that's really awesome. I'm going through that right now. I'm just about 3/4 of the way through it, so I'm not completely done. But the other one I've done is right here, Rob Frazier on content creation, which I agree with him 100%. Content creation is king. That's where it's at, especially video. And he goes over how to create content, what to do to create content, and how to get your content seen. So it's really powerful. And the other one I went through is, let's see here, is the solo ad training, which was phenomenal as well. I really like Rob's training style. I did a whole, I did a whole review on this already in a previous video. I'll put a card so you can see that. But this was very good too, especially if you don't understand solo ads at all. He really breaks it down what you need to do to be successful with solo ads. So, but there's so much more content in here that I haven't got to yet, and I will be getting to, and I will be sharing with you some of the information. But let's just scroll through it really fast. We got traffic generation with Franco, branding with Sean Powell. As I said, Rob Frazier. You have mobile marketing automation, how to do mobile marketing SMS with Manny Lopez. More Sean Powell, Facebook marketing, 8-figure direct marketing, mail recruiting. Like I said, there's something for everybody in here. So if you want to do online marketing, cool. If you want to do offline marketing, that's in here as well. Sales Cyclone with Jeff Mills. I'm just going through this real fast. Michael Price, referral marketing. From what I understand, this is a great module, and it's worth the price by itself. Okay, and for those of you that don't know, this is just a one-time $14.97. It pays $1,000 commissions, and you make $200 overrides from your team. So we're talking life-changing income here, and you're learning what you need to learn to make it, to utilize the system that is Power Lead system, utilize the system that we use to make $20 commissions, $100 commissions, $400 commissions, and now $1,000 commissions. Utilize the system that allows us to make 50% matching bonus, $25 bonus, $50 overrides, and $200 overrides. That's what this is teaching you how to do, is how to use a system. But this is evergreen training that can be used for anything. Okay, video marketing with Franco. I haven't got to that yet. We got Max Steingart, the godfather of social media, self-proclaimed. Sean Powell, again, with email marketing. We have magazine marketing with Bob and Nicole Schwartz. Co-op advertising. YouTube marketing with Sean Powell. YouTube is my bread and butter. I do YouTube all the time. YouTube and Facebook are my two favorite platforms. Okay, I'm on other platforms, but my two favorite are YouTube and Facebook. And I would not make the money I make. I would not get the results I get without either of those. Okay, just letting you know. YouTube is very powerful, and you don't need to do it, but if you want to get that know, like, trust factor, it definitely helps. Blogging, okay, blogging with Franco. You get a membership here, the network marketing lifetime membership, and so forth. Okay, so that's that. I'm going to wrap it up. I'm coming up on 10 minutes right now, and I didn't want to make this long. But guys, I'm just super excited about this program, about what we're doing. Just to let you know, before I wrap it up, our team right now, if you've never made any money online, you've never had any success, maybe you've never done anything online ever ever before. We got you covered. We got a 90-day blitz going on right now. Basically what that is, we take you by the hand. We do live daily training showing you exactly what to do to build your business, to get results, to make a full-time income. We show you exactly what to do. And to get access to that, all you have to do is be a gold member, which is $53.97, and then a diamond member, which is $147, which honestly, it's going to make you more money. You're going to get the training you need to be successful, taught by someone that is making a full-time income with this program, knows the ins and outs of attraction marketing, does very well with it, traffic generation, all these things, right? You're being taught daily how to do this, live training. All the trainings are recorded, so you can still catch up if you're coming in late, because we're going on our 4th week of this thing now. But you can watch those recordings. And also, I have my own group as well, where I do daily live training. I break down my routine, what I do every single day to build my business, and I answer your questions. I give you my resources and all that fun stuff. Okay, so you like what you hear, click the link, go ahead and get started, and I will see you on the inside.